Alright, so hey guys, it's Pro from PD Tech HD. I'm here with the Mediapad M5 Pro. So this is very similar to the Mediapad M5 video that's just gone live on the channel, but this is the Pro version. So the difference in the Pro version is the screen is larger, so this is a 10.8-inch 2K display as opposed to the 8.4-inch 2K display. It's also got quad stereo speakers and Harman Kardon tuning, so you can see the sort of mini soundbar thing that I showed on the M5, present on the M5 Pro as well. The battery is 7,500 mAh capacity. It's running Android 8.0 with EMUI 8.0 as well, and it's got 4 GB of RAM. There's 2 cameras on this as well, so 13 megapixel on the back, no flash again, but an 8 megapixel on the front. So that's a very quick look at the Mediapad M5 Pro. So just taking a quick look around the device. So you can see on the right side there's not much. On this side you've got the power button and the, if it wants to focus, the volume rocker, and then you've got the SIM card slot at the bottom as well. I think that's a SIM card slot, it might be a micro SD, and then you've got the USB-C port there for charging as well. Now the interesting thing about the M5 Pro compared to the M5 is that you've got more of a productivity aspect to it. So not only is the screen aspect ratio 3:2, when you dock it into the docking station, you'll see in a minute that it should ask for docking mode. There we go, so exit desktop mode. External keyboard not detected, exit in this mode. Exit that mode. Right, so it was already in desktop mode, so you can see when I dock it. There you go, so desktop mode is detected, so you can enter desktop mode. And it gives you EMUI desktop. So now some of you guys that remember my Mate 10 Pro, why it works for business users video, this will be very similar to you guys. So basically you've got sort of, a desktop-like experience exactly. So you've got Office on here, so you've got WPS Office, you can say don't remind me again, click agree on that. And then basically you're here editing your documents, guys. So this is very useful for productivity. In the example that they showed, they were editing a PowerPoint presentation, and to me it actually looked like the full version of PowerPoint, like it was very well themed and good features as well. But the other things you can do, so you've got a web browser on here, you can access your files and email as well. And yeah, so it's a nice feature to have on a tablet, especially because it just works with the dock. You don't need to connect it to a screen. So if I show you that again, as soon as you take the tablet out, it will say, do you want to exit desktop mode? I can press exit on that, and then as soon as I dock it back in, it detects it and asks you if you want to go to desktop mode. So that's one unique feature to the M5 Pro, Huawei Media M5 Pro, and so that is the tablet. The other thing that's interesting is that you now get an M Pen as well. So with the M Pen you can draw on it and edit your documents and photos as well. So if I go to the photos, see gallery. Right, so someone's taken this, I think. So if I go to edit, right, so if we go to graffiti, so you can easily write on here, so you can say PD Tech HD. Oh, wait, it went out the frame. Okay, that's not good. Let's do that again. So, put it back into graffiti mode. Right. And there you go, guys. So you've just edited that picture. Then you can save that if you want to. So I can hit the save button there. Saving picture. And now when you go back, you've got the original and you've got the graffitied one as well. So the M5 pen is interesting because it's got 4096 pressure levels of sensitivity. So it's very similar to something like the S Pen on Galaxy devices as well, but this is the Huawei iteration, so you can see Huawei branding there as well. I'm not sure what the 2 buttons do. Let's see if we rub this one out. Oh, does it? Okay, that gives us some sort of feature. Sorry, what does this button do? This button, these 2 buttons.
This part, and with this part you can take a screenshot of the screen.
Ah, cool. Okay.
So then you can save this.
Yep.
And also, if you are drawing, you can erase pressing the.
Oh, so that's what I was trying. So I've already saved this as an edit. So can I edit it, or is it too late now? You have to.
Oh.
So if I want to rub something out there, is it possible?
I think that it's.
You have to do it while editing, basically.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
that's fine. So the screenshot one is the left one, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So let's do that again. So if we go to the channel, so let's see if we go to YouTube channel. Right, so if I type my channel. Right, so if I want to take a screenshot of this one, you just hold down the left button. There you go, there's the screenshot done. So that's good. And if you want to do the other feature, so you can draw around it, and then you go, there you go, you just screenshot that one particular part. So that's it guys, that's a quick hands-on with the Huawei MediaPad M5 Pro. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more tech videos. Ongoing coverage throughout MWC on my social channels, which you guys should know. Otherwise, Instagram is the best place, that's ProD3. The link should be in the bio. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.